guys, welcome to the channel The Perfect 10, and today I'm going to be showing you snap circuits. And today I'm going to be showing you the FM radio. The FM radio is in book Projects 306 to 511. And it's page 1. The cover page is this, and you will flip to your page, to your first project in this book. Let's start the build. You will need a speaker, you'll need a U4 amplifier IC, you'll need 4 1x1 snap circuit, you'll need 1 5 snap circuit, you'll need an on-off switch, a C2 0.1 OF, 1 resistor, an RV, 1 6x6 snap wire circuit, 4 3x3 snap wire circuit, 1 FM radio, 1 4x4 snap wire circuit, and that's all you need. Let's start the build. First, you're going to need to place your FM in the top. Second, you are going to need 1 3 snap wire circuit and put it right there. Next, you are going to need 1 6 snap wire circuit and put it right here. Now connect the 2x2 snap circuit wire at the end of the 6 snap wire circuit. Now, I almost forgot, you're going to need 2 battery components. I forgot to say. Place one right here. Get your slide switch and put it right here. Now, get your U4 amplifier thing and put it right there. Get your speaker and put it on top of the battery component and the amplifier. Next, connect the 2x2 snap wire circuit here. Connect your RV right there. Place a 2x2 underneath. Place a 2x2 on top of your speaker. Get your 3x3. Followed by the 5x5 snap wire circuit underneath. And then you connect your last 2 wires snap circuit. Next, you're going to need your R3 and C2 and place it and place the C2 right underneath your RV. Place your resistor R3 on top of your C2. Next, get a 3x3. Place a 1x1 snap circuit underneath. And then place your R resistor. Get your 4 snap circuit wire, place it right here. Now we're done the build, and let's see how it works. Here I have got 4 batteries, and let's put it into the battery holders. So now I've put the batteries in the battery holders, and now let's see how it works. I don't know how it's going to sound like.
The new iHeartRadio app has all your favorite stations, including Jewel Radio, plus over 100 commercial-free music streams.
It worked. That was You can also change your channel by pressing the T button. Okay, stop. Okay. If you like the video how to build an FM radio, please like the video and subscribe the channel Perfect 10.